Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Ronin-S, the DJI Ronin-S. I've been waiting for this to get it and have it in my possession for quite a long time, and finally I have it. So I'm just gonna be explaining to you which one I got. I got the Essentials kit, which does not include the focus wheel and I think some extra bits, like some tools and maybe some I'm not sure what else, but I know the focus wheel, then the tools, and I think that's pretty much it. Maybe there's more, but I just got the basic one, which costs less because I'm not gonna be using. Oh yeah, and also the grip is gonna be plastic. It's not gonna be metal, which they have it on the, I think the Essentials one is nice. The Essentials one is the one I got. Maybe the basic, no, the standard kit. There we go, that's what it's called. But anyways, I'm gonna be opening this now. I'm not sure how I'm gonna be able to do it because my camera setup is kind of weird. I'm still getting used to kind of reviewing products and things like that. But I'm gonna try my best, and you can, I don't know, have a look and what's inside the Ronin-S box basically. First of all, guys, just so you know, the box is polystyrene. As you can see here, I'm gonna come closer. And basically it comes into another box whenever it's delivered, and it's kind of like maybe an extra protection. Hopefully everything is fine inside the box and it's not broken. We're gonna remove this. I'm quite sad because they stick it on here and I like keeping the boxes. Oh wait, I think there's an easy read. Oh, there you go, perfect. It's quite sad, but you know, I have to do it. And finally, we're gonna be able to see what's inside. Oh, so this, I think this is the back bit and the front is on the other side. Boom. Okay, this is really nice because you can see here there's like a kind of like a lock, and let me see how this is opened. Let me show you here. I think like this. Ooh, it's kind of metal. Okay, all the way. All right, let's open it and see what's inside. Oh, wait, what? Oh, all the way. Okay, I did it all the way. Oh, you need to rotate it. So just be careful, guys. Whenever you open this clip here, let me show you, come closer. You need to open it this way, okay? And you need to rotate it. Now it's open. Be careful because you can break the box if you still want the box after you basically purchased the product. Anyways, so it's open now. I'm guessing maybe like that. Whoops. Oh, nice. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna open it all the way. Now, I'm gonna try to kind of manage the camera so you can see what's actually in the box and everything. I'm not gonna touch anything, and you can see how it comes in assembled. Okay guys, as you can see, we have like a manual here. Okay, Ronin-S Essentials Kit, and then Ronin-S Essentials Kit. Okay, so a few manuals here. Possibly there's the guarantee, the warranty, or whatever you call it. And then we have here this, basically I think is to not catch smell, maybe, I'm not sure. Just gonna put it on the side. Here we have, I think it's a mount for the actual, what do you call it, camera, possibly, and maybe the lens, I'm not too sure. I'm gonna put it here on the side. Okay, then we have the plastic grip. Oh my god, it's kind of stiff in here. Actually, this is pretty secure. Oh my god. Okay, finally managed to get it out. So as you can see, it folds out. And actually, you know, even though it's plastic, it quite feels really strong, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not sure if you are able to see it. Whoops. There you go, I wasn't showing you properly. Let me just fold this flip screen out. There you go, so you can see here. There you go, that's it. It's really nice, and you can put it on the floor. You can have like an extra grip on the actual, what's it called, Ronin-S. Then we have a USB-C cable, and let me show you, come closer. Oops, come on, focus. That's a focus. All right, anyways. Okay, so then we have this. Oh yeah, I think this is the one for the actual camera, and that's actually what I was showing you earlier on. This is for the actual lens, I think, an extension. Not too sure, but as you can see, this is what comes in. Then I'm gonna take out, which I think is the main body of the actual Ronin-S, which is also the battery at the same time. So as you can see here, this is how it looks like. Boom. I might remove this. Oops, I love this. Oops, slowly. I don't want it to fly. Okay, boom. Oh, you had sellotape on. Okay. There we go. As you can see, this is the main body of the Ronin-S, I think. Boom. And here, I'm guessing you're gonna attach the actual gimbal. But yeah, that's it here. There you go. It's actually quite cold, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so let me just get the actual gimbal out, which is quite touched in here properly. Oops. Okay, so this is the actual gimbal, as you can see here. It's quite, what's it called? I'm gonna remove the box. It's quite close, there you go. As you can see here, this is the gimbal, and then the actual battery is gonna get attached to the bottom of here, basically. I'm gonna explain to you a bit more this whenever I actually do a review on it and actually kind of assemble it and balance it, because right now I have no idea. I've done some research, but I have no idea how to balance it or how to use it at all. Oops, gonna leave it there. I'm quite scared. And I think here on the box we still have some bolts and bits. Basically, I'm not sure where they go, but I'm gonna watch some videos onto it and then I'm gonna tell you guys what they do. But anyways, let me just get this onto the side. Alright guys, so this is what actually comes in. As you can see better, I've reviewed some of the footage and I thought that you couldn't see us properly. So I was just gonna do it kind of again and you can see it, what it actually looks like. So basically here we have the actual gimbal, we have the battery, we have the, I think the camera mount, the extension for maybe the, what's it called, an extra bigger lens, and that actually supports the lens. I'm not too sure what everything does. This is actually the grip to extend it at the bottom, I think. Here, I'm not sure. And then we have the USB-C to USB kind of cable. And then some of the bolts, which I'm supposing is gonna go somewhere over here. I have no idea. I'm gonna do a proper better video whenever I actually put it all together, so you can see how to put it together. And yeah, alright guys, if you like the video, please make sure you like it, you subscribe, and I don't know, share with your friends, and hopefully we will see each other onto another video and you can see the actual review and how to balance the gimbal in this channel. Anyways guys, this is all for me and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.